Hey everybody, this is a quick Lake Anna real estate market update. Let's talk about what happened here at Lake Anna in the real estate market last month for the month of October, and then we'll talk about what's going on right now here at Lake Anna. Last month, in short, we saw sales go up, prices went up, and the number of new listings went up. Last month we had 25 deals that sold and closed in the Lake Anna market. That's compared to 16 the month before. So that was a 56% increase in the number of closings we had at Lake Anna month over month. The average sales price went up as well. The average sales price jumped to about $904,000. That marked a 40% increase month over month in sales price. And the average days on market also increased to about 50. So in the month of October, it took about 50 days to get a house under contract in the Lake Anna market. That's up from the number 26 days before in the month prior. The number of new listings in the month of October was 21. That was also an increase in the number of new homes for sale month over month. In the month of September, there were 17 new listings at Lake Anna. In the month of October, there were 21. So about a 25% increase there as well. What's the market look like today, November 20th, 2023, here at the Lake Anna real estate market? There are a total of 59 listings here at Lake Anna today. Total of 59, that's waterfront and water access. The average sales price for those listings is about $876,000. The way that breaks down, the 59, there are 19 waterfront listings. These are properties that are touching the water. And then the remaining 40 are water access. So 19 waterfront and then 40 water access properties. Water access properties, of course, being properties that are close to the water, but they're not touching the water. So addressing the 19 waterfront properties that are for sale, the average sales price for those is about $1.5 million. It's $1,515,570. 8 of those are to be built. They're not there yet. So in reality, we actually only have 11 homes that are waterfront, sitting on the water, already built, resales, ready to go. As far as your water access properties, the average sales price for the water access properties right now in November at Lake Anna is $573,000. 19 of those are to be built, so you really only got about 21 of those that are resales that are here that you can go look at and potentially buy. Otherwise, you're waiting for a new home to be built. So what does all that mean? Well, are you a seller or you're a buyer? If you're a seller or you're thinking about selling, now is a fantastic time at Lake Anna to sell a property. Why? Well, there aren't many homes for sale. And when there aren't many homes for sale, this drives your sales price up because it drives demand up. Only 59 homes for sale here at Lake Anna, and again, only a portion of those are actually here. So not a lot of competition from other sellers. It's going to push your price up. Recently, our real estate group, the Ashley Hoffman Group, we sold 3 properties very quickly. One property just last week went under contract in 1 day. Another property went under contract in 4 days. And shortly before that, we had a property, another waterfront property, go under contract in just 6 days, and that one got 7 offers and went for almost $150,000 above the asking price. So the proof is in the pudding. Now it is an incredible time to sell a property if you're looking to sell at Lake Anna. If you're a buyer, one of the good things you have going for you is an increasing number of homes for sale. That number is slowly creeping up. So if you're a buyer, you're having more and more properties to choose from. Also, with the higher interest rates, there aren't many other buyers out there to compete with, as opposed to the times when the interest rates were 3 or 4, and there were a bunch of buyers you were competing with, and you were looking at multiple offer situations. Not a lot of competition if you're a buyer right now. The interest rates are higher. We're looking at low 7s right now, and they're getting better. But if you're a buyer, it's a good time to pick up a property if you can, refinance in a year or so as the interest rates come down, and in the meantime, you'll enjoy the property appreciation. And finally, some good news about interest rates. Short version, it appears that interest rates are starting to decrease. Last week, you might have heard, we received some great information about inflation. Inflation in the economy appears to finally be cooling off. Borrowing rates in our industry follow inflation, so as inflation begins to drop and continues to drop, so will interest rates, and we're already seeing it play out. 2 or 3 weeks ago, interest rates were pushing up against 8%. We're now seeing them down in the low 7s. So interest rates are looking better, and there's more to come in that regard. What are your real estate goals? My name is Grayson Hoffman. I'd love to talk to you. Give us a call.